Hello, and welcome back. In our previous video, we discovered that we could filter tables using .lock. Now, let's delve a little deeper into this topic. Let's revisit our Sales 1A table. If you recall, this table contains a multitude of columns. Let's say we want to only display rows where the salesperson is David. To accomplish this, we write sales1a.lock, then in square brackets, we insert sales1a followed by another square bracket containing salesperson = David, enclosed in quotations. Remember to use quotations when you're filtering using strings or dates. If we were using numbers or logical expressions, they would be used without quotes. You may find this syntax challenging, and you might be wondering why we write this expression within square brackets. Programming languages offer the freedom to perform a variety of actions which can't be accomplished using software like Excel. Therefore, I recommend experimenting as much as possible to gain a more profound understanding. In our specific case, we can write it separately, and you'll notice that we only get a series of cells filled with either true or false as output. This is the result of our expression, and we can use it as a mask to filter the table. Now, let's learn how to filter a table based on multiple columns. All we need to do is encase our conditions in parentheses and write an AND operator between each condition, also enclosed in parentheses. That's it. As demonstrated here, we have filtered our table for salesperson David, currency in USD, quantity less than or equal to 25, and date earlier than February 1, 2022. You might find these expressions tough to read and understand. Furthermore, if you need to write several similar filters with minor differences, you'll have to write the entire expression each time. And if anything needs to be changed, you'll have to edit each expression. To avoid this, I suggest creating separate variables. We create separate variables for salesperson, currency, quantity, and date, and set them to match our conditions. Now, instead of writing our conditions within the parentheses, we just write the variables. Simple as that. Let's say you want to see Frank instead of David. You can simply change the value of the salesperson variable to Frank and then rerun our filter expression. But what if we want to select both Frank and David? We can't just pass both names into the list. We need to use the .isIn method. By rewriting this expression using the .isIn method instead of the sign, we can pass a list with the names David and Frank. I would recommend using the .isIn method even if you're filtering for just one person. And remember, even if you're filtering for a single name, you still need to enclose it within a list. And that wraps it up. In the next video, we'll continue exploring the .lock method and introduce the method, and we'll see how we can create a new column using it. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.